Everyone loves Toyota, right? They're affordable, reliable, or are they? Today, we're peeling back the curtain on 13 Toyotas that have left owners with nothing but regret. From frame corrosion to engine nightmares, these cars are anything but dependable. Stick around, because the truth about the last one might ruin your trust in the brand forever. Number 1, Toyota RAV4, 2007 to 2008. The RAV4 is one of Toyota's best-selling SUVs, but the 2007 and 2008 models reveal a hidden Achilles heel: rampant oil consumption. Owners of these vehicles found themselves constantly topping off oil, often within a few hundred miles, as the engine guzzled it far beyond acceptable levels. These issues trace back to flawed piston ring designs that failed to create a proper seal, leading to excessive oil burn-off and even long-term engine damage. Reports from frustrated owners tell the same story: expensive engine repairs or full replacements costing upwards of $4,000 to $6,000. For some, these costs were unavoidable, as neglected oil levels caused catastrophic engine failure. Thankfully, Toyota made improvements in later models of the RAV4, so opting for those years can mean avoiding this wallet-draining nightmare altogether. Number 2, Toyota Camry, 2007 to 2009. The Toyota Camry has long been considered a benchmark for reliability, but if you're looking at V6 models from 2007 to 2009, you might want to think twice. These cars became notorious for persistent engine problems, the most common being oil leaks, and the premature failure of crucial components like the valve cover gaskets and water pumps. These malfunctions often led to overheating and, in severe cases, complete engine failure. Some owners reported an endless cycle of repairs, with bills reaching thousands of dollars. One owner described replacing a water pump only to have another component fail shortly after, a frustrating and expensive pattern. While the Camry's reputation as dependable holds true for many years, these V6 variants stand out as a costly exception. Consider avoiding these models to save yourself future headaches. Number 3, Toyota Corolla, 2002 to 2003. The Toyota Corolla has a well-earned reputation for reliability, but the 2002 and 2003 models reveal a costly flaw: serious transmission failures. Drivers frequently reported issues with gear slipping, delayed shifting, or outright transmission failure. These problems didn't just create inconvenience, they came with steep repair costs that often exceeded the car's market value. Many owners described the frustration of pouring thousands of dollars into repairs, such as complete transmission replacements, only to face ongoing reliability concerns. Some even abandoned the vehicles entirely, calling them financial liabilities. The root cause appeared to stem from poorly designed components that couldn't handle normal wear and tear. Number 4, Toyota Highlander, 2003 to 2005. The Toyota Highlander has built a loyal following as a dependable mid-size SUV, but early models from 2003 to 2005 carried a costly flaw: notoriously weak suspension systems. Owners of these vehicles frequently faced premature wear on key components like struts, bushings, and control arms. The result? Not just expensive repairs, but also alignment issues and uneven tire wear, which led to constant maintenance headaches. Number 5, Toyota Tacoma, 2005 to 2010. The Tacoma is celebrated for its toughness, but models from 2005 to 2010 revealed a serious flaw: severe frame rust. This wasn't just cosmetic. Corrosion often ate through the frame, compromising the truck's structural integrity. In some cases, the rust was so extensive that the vehicles failed safety inspections, turning once reliable trucks into undrivable hazards. Number 6, Toyota Sienna, 2004 to 2006. The 2004 to 2006. Toyota Sienna seemed like the perfect solution for busy families, but these models quickly became infamous for transmission issues that left owners stranded. The root of the problem? Design flaws that caused premature wear on critical internal components. This led to recurring breakdowns, and in many cases, total transmission failure. Adding frustration, many repairs weren't one and done. Problems often reoccurred, compounding the expense. Number 7, Toyota Tundra, 2000 to 2003. The first generation Toyota Tundra, produced between 2000 and 2003, promised a rugged and durable truck, but severe frame corrosion turned it into a financial nightmare for many owners. The rust issues were so extensive that they often compromised the truck's structural integrity, leaving some vehicles with a significantly weakened frame or even rendering them unsafe to drive. This wasn't just cosmetic rust. Owners reported suspension failures and, in extreme cases, complete frame collapse. Number 8, Toyota Prius, 2010 to 2011. The 2010 and 2011 Toyota Prius models are praised for fuel efficiency, but they come with a costly flaw: excessive oil consumption. This issue typically begins around the 100,000-mile mark, catching owners off guard. Many reported topping off as much as 4 quarts of oil between changes, even without visible leaks or exhaust smoke, an alarming sign of internal engine wear. The root cause lies in faulty piston rings that fail to properly seal, allowing oil to burn off at an accelerated rate. Neglecting this problem can lead to severe engine damage, with some owners choosing expensive engine replacements instead of constant maintenance. Number 9, Toyota Avalon, 2006 to 2008. The Toyota Avalon is marketed as a premium sedan, offering comfort and smooth performance, but the 2006 to 2008 models failed to live up to expectations. These years are plagued by transmission failures that left many owners with unexpected repair costs. Despite its reputation as a reliable option, the Avalon's internal transmission design during this time frame caused premature wear on critical components, often leading to breakdowns. Number 10, Toyota Sequoia, 2001 to 2004. The 2001 to 2004 Toyota Sequoia promised big family practicality, but early models delivered a troubling duo of suspension and brake system failures. Weak suspension components like ball joints, control arms, and shocks frequently wore out prematurely. This led to uneven tire wear and alignment problems, which not only increased repair bills, but also compromised driving safety and stability. Compounding this, brake systems on these models suffered from premature wear of pads and rotors, with some owners reporting issues with brake lines or calipers. Number 11, Toyota Matrix, 2009. The Toyota Matrix was designed as a compact and practical hatchback, but the 2009 model stands out for all the wrong reasons. Both the engine and transmission suffered from widespread mechanical issues, turning it into a financial headache for owners. Manufacturing defects caused key components to fail prematurely, leading to problems like rough shifting and stalling, which quickly escalated into major and costly repairs. Owners have reported breaking down more than once, frustrated at having to spend thousands of dollars just to keep the car running. One owner noted repair bills climbing into the thousands, with the car's reliability deteriorating over time. Number 12, Toyota Yaris, 2007 to 2008. Interior quality and brake wear. The 2007 to 2008 Toyota Yaris was marketed as a budget-friendly, fuel-efficient compact. But buyers quickly discovered that low cost sometimes meant cutting corners. One of the most common complaints? Subpar interior quality. From flimsy plastics to quickly fading upholstery, the cabin felt cheap and wore down far too quickly. Some even faced repeated brake jobs within a year, turning what should have been minor maintenance into a recurring expense. Number 13, Toyota Venza, 2009 to 2010. The Toyota Venza's early models from 2009 and 2010 seemed to offer the perfect blend of style and utility, but they quickly became a source of trouble for many owners. Drivetrain issues topped the list of complaints, with frequent reports of transmission jerking and vibrations while driving. Over time, these problems became more severe, requiring costly repairs or part replacements to restore normal function. On top of that, electrical failures frequently left owners frustrated. Malfunctions ranged from faulty dashboard displays to problems with power locks and windows, creating an ongoing cycle of inconvenience and repair bills. Even a brand as trusted as Toyota has its weak spots. Models like the 2007 RAV4 or 2009 Matrix show that not every Toyota lives up to the company's legendary reputation for reliability. The takeaway? Research matters. Before buying any used car, dig into known issues, check reliability scores, and, if possible, get a professional inspection. Tools like owner reviews and vehicle history reports can save you thousands in future repairs. Avoiding the wrong model can mean the difference between years of dependable driving and a financial nightmare. Do the homework now, and your wallet will thank you later.